Hello, made this video about my bike. It's an on1 inbred. I fitted a BBS HD. It's also got the Lecky bling ring. It's running a 14S battery and it peaks around 1500 watts. These bikes are made in Yorkshire. It's actually a steel frame. There's the bling ring, much better than a standard one. A HD unit. Recently put a new chain and sprocket on it. You can see me back tyres getting a little bit low. It's nearly fully charged. It'll do about 50-mile range. I'm not going to say how fast it goes. Let's see it in action.